In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a page on Facebook. First, open Facebook and log into the account that manages the page you want to remove. This is important because only people with admin access to a page can delete it. Once you're logged in, go to your main Facebook home screen. At the top, look for the Pages section. Depending on your layout, this might appear in the left-hand menu on desktop or under the menu button on mobile. Click or tap Pages, and you'll see a list of all the pages you manage. From that list, select the page you want to delete. Make sure you choose the correct one, especially if you manage multiple pages. When the page opens, you'll be on its main profile. Here, look for the Settings option. On desktop, this is usually on the left-hand side or under a More or Manage button. On mobile, you may need to scroll or open the Settings icon. Go ahead and open the Page Settings. Inside the Settings area, look for the section related to removing or deleting the page. Facebook sometimes labels this as Access and Control, Deactivation and Deletion, or something similar, depending on the current layout. Take your time to scan through the options until you see the Delete Page option. Once you've found it, click or tap Delete Page. Facebook will usually ask you to confirm your choice, and it may show a warning explaining that this will remove the page after a certain period. Often, there's a grace period where the page is scheduled for deletion, and you can still cancel if you change your mind. Read that message carefully so you understand what will happen. Confirm that you want to delete the page. After you do this, Facebook may log the change and show a notification that your page is now scheduled for deletion. The page will stop being publicly visible, or at least will begin the process of being removed, depending on Facebook's current policy. Before you go, remember that deleting a page is intended to be permanent. If you just want to take a break, you might consider unpublishing or hiding the page instead of deleting it, which is usually available in the same settings area. But if you're sure you no longer need the page, following these steps will successfully remove it from your account.